Have you ever wondered how crucial home safety is for seniors, especially those living alone? This question is more than just a thought experiment. It's a reality that millions of seniors and their loved ones grapple with every day. Home safety for seniors is a subject that can't be overstated. As we age, our bodies naturally become more susceptible to injuries. A simple slip or trip can lead to serious consequences that can significantly affect the quality of life of our older loved ones. This is why home safety becomes an essential consideration as we age. Our homes, the places we feel most secure, can sometimes pose the biggest threats. Everyday household items and furniture can transform into potential hazards for seniors. From slippery bathroom tiles to loose carpets to stairs without handrails, the risks are many and varied. Often these dangers are overlooked until an accident happens, which is why it's so important to proactively address home safety. The statistics paint a clear picture. According to the World Health Organization, falls are the second leading cause of accidental or unintentional injury deaths worldwide, and adults over 65 years of age suffer the greatest number of fatal falls. These figures underscore the urgency of our discussion about home safety for seniors. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is, most home accidents are preventable. With the right knowledge and precautions, we can significantly reduce the risk of injuries and ensure a safe and comfortable living environment for our seniors. Our focus is not just about preventing physical harm, but also about giving seniors the confidence to live independently, without the constant fear of accidents. After all, isn't that what we all want? To live our golden years with dignity and peace of mind. In this video, we will focus on the risks seniors face at home and the best prevention methods to ensure their safety. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty of home safety tips, from simple modifications to regular exercise routines, to technology that can assist in making homes safer for seniors. So let's embark on this journey of education and prevention together. Let's make our homes the safe havens they are meant to be. To begin with, it's crucial to recognize the potential risks in a senior's living environment. This means understanding the common hazards that can lead to falls or injuries in a home. So, let's delve into some of these hazards together. First off, loose rugs. They may seem harmless on the surface, but they can easily become a tripping hazard, particularly if they are not secured to the floor. You'd be surprised how often these seemingly innocuous household items can turn into a risk for seniors. Next up, poor lighting. This is one of the most overlooked hazards in a home. Dimly lit areas and shadows can obscure obstacles, making it difficult to see and navigate around them. Especially as we age, our vision may not be as sharp as it once was, making proper lighting even more important. Another common hazard is cluttered walkways. Overflowing closets, stacks of books, or even a stray pair of shoes can become a serious obstacle course. A clear path is crucial for mobility and safety, so keeping walkways free from clutter is of utmost importance. Then we have slippery surfaces, a notorious villain in the story of home safety. Bathrooms, in particular, are prone to becoming slippery when wet, making them a prime location for potential falls. The same goes for kitchens or any other area where spills might occur. And let's not forget about uneven surfaces. A small step here, a slight bump there, can be enough to cause a stumble or a fall. This is particularly true for seniors who may have balance issues or difficulty lifting their feet. Lastly, there's furniture. Yes, even furniture can pose a risk. Low-lying coffee tables, unstable chairs, or furniture with sharp corners can all lead to bumps, bruises, or worse. Now, you might be thinking, that's a lot of hazards to consider. And you're right. But the key here is not to be overwhelmed. Instead, we want to use this knowledge as a tool for prevention. By recognizing these hazards, we can begin to address them, making the home a safer place. Consider this. With each hazard we eliminate, we're reducing the risk of an accident. We're creating a safer, more comfortable living environment. And isn't that what we all want for ourselves and our loved ones as we age? So let's take this knowledge and put it to good use. Let's make our homes safer for everyone, but especially for the seniors in our lives who may be at a higher risk. By identifying these risks, we can take the necessary steps to prevent accidents and ensure a safer living environment for seniors. Now that we've identified the risks, let's explore some basic prevention methods. Picture this. You're walking through your home, a space you've known for years, perhaps even decades. It's familiar, comfortable, and it's yours. Now imagine that same space as a labyrinth filled with potential hazards. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? But don't worry. With a few simple measures, we can transform this labyrinth back into the safe haven it should be. Let's start with the walkways. Keeping them clear is crucial. Everyday items like shoes, magazines, or even that cute little pet toy can turn into dangerous obstacles if left in the wrong place. So, let's keep them tidy. It's as simple as ensuring things are put away in their designated spots. Next, let's talk about rugs. Yes, they add a touch of warmth and style to your home, but loose rugs can be tricky. They're like hidden trapdoors, waiting to trip you up when you least expect it. Securing them down with double-sided tape or a slip-resistant backing can make a world of difference. Now let's shed some light on the situation. Improving lighting around the house is key. Dimly lit areas can hide potential hazards, so let's brighten them up. Install brighter light bulbs, add additional lamps if needed, and consider night lights in hallways and bathrooms for those midnight trips. Lastly, consider non-slip mats in bathrooms and kitchens. These areas are prone to getting wet, making them slippery and risky. Non-slip mats act like your personal safety nets, providing you with a secure footing even on wet surfaces. Remember, prevention is better than cure. These basic steps might seem small, but they pack a punch in preventing falls and ensuring safety. It's like playing a game of dominoes. One small change can set off a chain reaction, making your home safer, one step at a time. These simple steps can significantly reduce the risk of falls and injuries in the home. Sometimes, basic measures may not be enough. In such cases, home modifications can be a great help. Let's delve into some more extensive home modifications. Picture a typical house. Now imagine it as a safe haven, a place where every corner has been designed with safety in mind. That's what we're aiming for. Firstly, consider the bathroom. It's a place we visit multiple times a day and it tends to be slippery. Installing grab bars next to the toilet and in the shower or bathtub can provide support and stability. They help prevent slips and falls, making it easier and safer to navigate these potentially risky areas. Next, let's think about stairs. They can be quite a challenge, especially for those with mobility issues. A stair lift is an excellent solution. This device, which is essentially a chair that moves up and down the staircase, can make all the difference. It allows individuals to navigate between floors with ease, reducing the risk of falls. Now let's move to the kitchen. Lowering countertops and cabinets can make a huge difference. It may sound like a drastic change, but it's about creating a space that's functional and accessible. When items are within easy reach, there's less chance of overstretching or losing balance. Along the same line, consider reorganizing your storage areas. Frequently used items should be stored at waist height. This minimizes the need to bend down or reach up, both of which can lead to instability and potential falls. Lighting is another crucial aspect. Good lighting can significantly reduce the risk of trips and falls. Consider installing extra lighting in dark areas and ensure that switches are easily accessible. Motion sensor lights can also be a great addition, eliminating the need to fumble for switches in the dark. Another useful modification is installing lever-style doorknobs and faucet handles. These are easier to use than traditional round knobs, especially for those with arthritis or other conditions that affect hand strength and dexterity. Lastly, smooth out any uneven surfaces and remove potential tripping hazards like loose rugs or clutter. Simple adjustments like using non-slip mats and keeping walkways clear can go a long way in ensuring safety. Remember, these modifications aren't about losing your home's charm or personality. It's about adapting it to meet changing needs. It's about creating a safe, comfortable environment where you can live independently without fear of falls or accidents. Although these modifications may require some investment, the enhanced safety they provide is invaluable. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that you or your loved ones are safe. And ultimately, isn't that priceless? Remember, safety is not a luxury, but a necessity. You have the power to make your home a safer place. So let's embrace these modifications and create an environment that supports well-being and independence. Although these modifications may require some investment, the enhanced safety they provide is invaluable. Did you know that regular exercise can also play a significant role in preventing falls? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Regular physical activity is not just for keeping your heart healthy or maintaining a trim waistline. It's also a vital tool in the fight against falls, particularly as we age. Exercise can improve three key physical aspects that safeguard us from falls: strength, flexibility, and balance. Let's break those down. Firstly, strength. Strengthening exercises, especially those targeting the lower body, can significantly reduce the risk of falls. Strong muscles are essential for supporting our joints and maintaining stability. Think about it. If your legs are robust and firm, you're less likely to wobble or lose control. Secondly, flexibility. As we age, our joints naturally become stiffer and less flexible. This can make it more difficult to move around and react quickly if we stumble. But don't worry, regular flexibility exercises like gentle stretching can help maintain or even improve joint movement. And thirdly, balance. Balance exercises are a crucial component of fall prevention. They help in improving our ability to control and maintain our body's position, whether we are moving or still. This can be especially beneficial when navigating uneven surfaces or reacting to a slip. Now, what kind of exercises are we talking about? Well, there's a wide range of activities suitable for seniors, from Tai Chi and yoga to water aerobics and resistance training. It's always important to choose exercises that you enjoy and are safe for your fitness level. And remember, it's never too late to start. Just a friendly reminder, before starting any new exercise regimen, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help tailor a program that's right for you, considering your health status and personal goals. To wrap it up, exercise is not just good for overall health, but it's also a key component in fall prevention. So let's get moving and build a stronger, more balanced and flexible you. You've got this. Regular health checkups are another crucial aspect of fall prevention. Like a well-oiled machine, our bodies need regular maintenance to function optimally. This is especially true as we journey further into life's later chapters, where the risk of falls becomes more prevalent. Health checkups serve as our first line of defense, helping us identify potential health issues that could increase the likelihood of falls. Let's consider some of these issues. Poor vision, for instance, can make it difficult to spot hazards, while hearing problems can prevent us from hearing important sounds, such as an approaching vehicle or a warning from a companion. By undergoing regular eye and hearing tests, we can ensure that any deficiencies are detected early and managed appropriately. Certain medications can also increase the risk of falls. Some may cause dizziness, others may lead to loss of balance, while some may even cause both. Regular health checkups allow your healthcare professional to review your medication regimen periodically, ensuring that it does not inadvertently increase your risk of falls. They may alter dosages, change medications, or suggest alternative treatments to help maintain your balance and stability. But it's not just about detecting and managing potential issues. Regular health checkups also provide an opportunity to build a strong relationship with your healthcare provider. This relationship is a partnership where you work together to maintain and improve your health. It's a chance to ask questions, voice concerns, and learn more about your body. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your health, contributing to better fall prevention. In essence, regular health checkups are an essential component of a comprehensive fall prevention strategy. They help detect and manage health issues, foster a valuable partnership with your healthcare provider, and put you in control of your health. So, remember to schedule your health checkups regularly. It's a small investment of time that can pay significant dividends in terms of your safety and well-being. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Regular health checkups are a proactive measure, a step towards prevention, and a testament to the timeless wisdom of this adage. In this modern age, technology can also lend a hand in ensuring home safety for seniors. Picture this: an alarm system that not only deters unwanted visitors, but also alerts you in case of a fire or a gas leak. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's not. This is the reality of home safety technology today. Alarm systems have evolved significantly over the years and now offer a wide range of features that can help seniors stay safe at home. From smoke detection to carbon monoxide alerts, these systems are designed to provide an early warning in case of an emergency. Some even have panic buttons that can be worn around the neck or wrist, providing a quick and easy way to call for help if needed. Now let's talk about fall detection devices. Falls are one of the leading causes of serious injuries among seniors, but technology is stepping up to the plate to help. Fall detection devices come in various forms, including pendants, wristbands, and even smartwatches. These devices use sensors to detect a sudden change in motion or orientation, and if a fall is detected, they automatically send an alert to a designated contact or emergency services. It's like having a personal guardian angel watching over you. Home monitoring systems are another technological advancement that can greatly enhance safety for seniors living alone. These systems use cameras and sensors to monitor movement and activity in the home. If something unusual is detected, like no movement for an extended period of time, an alert can be sent to a family member or caregiver. Some systems even allow for two-way communication, so seniors can speak directly with their loved ones or a monitoring service if they need assistance. But what about privacy, you ask? Well, many of these devices and systems have been designed with privacy in mind. For instance, home monitoring systems often use sensors rather than cameras in private areas like bedrooms and bathrooms. And fall detection devices only send alerts when a fall is detected, not every time you move. The beauty of technology is that it's constantly evolving. Innovations are being made every day to help seniors live independently and safely at home. From smart home devices that can control lights and temperature, to medication reminders and virtual assistants, technology is truly transforming the way we approach home safety for seniors. Of course, no amount of technology can replace the importance of regular checkups, physical exercise, and home modifications. But when used in conjunction with these strategies, technology can provide an added layer of protection. Embracing technology can provide an extra layer of safety, giving seniors and their loved ones peace of mind. So why not take advantage of the tools available and make home a safer place for seniors? After all, everyone deserves to feel safe and secure in their own home. To wrap up, let's quickly recap the main points we've covered today. We began our journey by underlining the importance of home safety for seniors. We acknowledged that as we age, the risks associated with everyday activities in our homes can increase, making it essential for us to recognize the potential hazards and mitigate them effectively. Next, we delved into the basics of preventing falls, emphasizing the importance of good lighting, clutter-free floors, and sturdy furniture that can provide support when needed. We also highlighted the significance of wearing non-slip footwear and keeping regularly used items within easy reach. Our journey continued into the realm of home modifications, where we explored the benefits of installing grab bars in bathrooms, railings in hallways and staircases, and using non-slip mats in kitchens and bathrooms. We also discussed the advantages of eliminating tripping hazards like loose carpets and cables, and considering the use of stair lifts where stairs pose a significant risk. We then touched upon the crucial role of regular exercise in preventing falls. By maintaining strength, flexibility, and balance, seniors can significantly reduce their risk of falls. We also stressed the importance of regular health checkups to monitor overall health and adjust medications if necessary. Finally, we ventured into the world of technology, where we discussed how tech gadgets like fall detection devices, medical alert systems, and smart home systems can play a pivotal role in ensuring home safety for seniors. By taking these steps, we can create a safer living environment for seniors, reducing the risk of falls and promoting independence. Remember, a safe home is a happy home. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.